After the battles at Trenton and Princeton, Nathaniel's militia was sent north, into the wilderness along the Canadian border. His men skirmished with the British up and down the Hudson Valley throughout the spring, but the fighting was indecisive until late summer near Saratoga.
There's the British column. They're headed to Albany.
Captain, if they get that far, they'll cut our army in two.
We can't let that happen. Send scouts to mark their route. We'll whittle them down and force them to fight here.
Nathaniel, the first wagon is right behind me.
Good. Here come the militiamen. Let's get that wagon. What can I'm going now. Right. I'm ready. Right.
The Colonials are ambushing our wagons! Stop them!
Yes, sir.
I'll do it. Right. I'll attack. Yes. Right. Attack. Watch out. Control. Attack. Right.
I'm ready.
What can I do? I'll attack. I'm ready. Yes, I'll do it. I'm going now. Right. What can I do? Right. One more wagon to go. Send for the reinforcements. I'm going now. I'll attack. I'm ready. What can I do? Right. Right. Attack!
Pull back!
I'm ready.
Fortify the valley!
Reinforcements. You couldn't have arrived at a better time.
This is all that could be spared, Captain.
It'll be enough. The British will be building up to claim this territory.
Yes, right.
Let's build some forts of our own.
Yes, I'm going now. What is your command? I'll do it.
What can I do? I'll attack. Right.
I'm ready. I'll do it.
I'm ready. Attack!
Yes?
When we reach the fortress age, we will be able to train fort wagons from our town center. It will be expensive, but my family's money can help. I'm ready. Attack!
Yes?
What can I do? I'll attack!
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Right. What can I'll do it?
Yes? To battle! I'm ready. Attack!
What can I do?
I'm ready. Right.
Yes? What can I do? I'm going now.
Yes? To battle!
I'm ready. Right. Yes?
I'm ready. I'm going now.
I'm ready. Right. Yes?
That's Kuchler. I'm ready. He's off to the east. He'll have to cross the Hudson River to meet up with the British. Let's find out where. Yes? Attack!
Waktare.
I'm ready. What can I do? I'll do it. I'm going now.
I'm ready. I'm going now.
Yes? To battle! What is your command? I'll do it. I'm going now. Yes? Attack! Yes? Attack! I'm to battle!
Yes?
Yes? I'll do it.
I'm ready. Right. I'll do it. Yes? Attack! What is your command? I'm ready. To battle!
Nathaniel, we have found Kuchler's outposts and the bridge of boats.
Yes, I'm ready. To battle! Yes. What is your command? Yes. Attack! I'm ready. Yes? To battle! I'm ready. Attack!
Yes, I'm going now.
What can I do? I'm going now.
I'm ready. Yes, I'll do it. To battle!
Ona hotin. Ike.
Yes? I'm going now. I'm ready. Attack! To battle! Yes? I'm ready. Right. I'll do it. I'm ready. Attack!
There. Now the Hessians
I'm
will have
going
to
now.
cross the river somewhere else.
Yes, I'm ready. Yes? Right.
What can I do? Right. I'm ready.
What is your command? I'm going now. I'll do it. Attack! To battle! Attack! Right. I'll do it.
What can I do? I'm ready. I'll do it. Yes, I'm going now. I'll attack. Right. I'll do it.
The bridge is out. We will have to find another way to cross the Hudson River.
Right.
Yes? What can I do? Right.
What can I do? I'll do it.
Geen. Ike.
We can train Ford
I'm ready.
wagons now. I'm going now.
I'm ready. I'll do it.
What can I do? I'll do it.
Yes, I'll do it. I'm going now. I'll do it. I'm going now.
I'm ready. I'm going now.
I'm ready. Right.
Yes, right. I'm going now. Right.
Yes, I'm ready. I'll do it. Right. I'll do it. I'm going now.
I'm ready. I'll do it. I'm going now.
Yes,
What can I do? I'm going now.
I'm ready.
Ona hotten.
Yes? I'll do it.
Geen. Je kan tentjes.
Let's build some forts of our own. What can I do? I'm ready. I'm going now. Attack! Right! I'll attack! Attack! I'll attack! Attack! Right! Attack! I'll attack! Attack! I'll do it.
Otahare.
Yes?
Yes.
Right. Ona hotten. Ike.
Good work. 2 more forts and we'll control the battlefield. What can I do? I'm going now.
Geen. Je kan tentjes.
I'm ready. Right. I'll attack. Yes. Right. What can I do? Attack!
Una hot window.
Yes. Right. I'll do it. Attack!
Yes? I'm ready. Attack!
I'm ready. I'll attack. Yes. One more fort and we'll win the battle. Look sharp. What can I do? Yes, I'm going now. I'm ready.
Cheyenne.
Yes?
Yes? I'll do it. What is your... I'll do it. I'm going now.
Right.
I'm ready. Yes? Right. I'm ready. I'm going now. Right.
Captain Black, concede Saratoga, or you will lose your entire command.
What can I do? Right. Yes, I'm going now. Right. I'll attack. Right. What can I do?
The British are building a fort in the north.
I'll do it. We've stopped the British advance. Send runners to Washington.